If you are dealing with mold at home, you already know how annoying it is. It smells bad, it spreads fast, and if you ignore it, it only gets worse. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove mold safely when you can use bleach and when you should avoid bleach completely. Before we start, make sure to subscribe for more helpful home care tips. Alright, let's begin. Mold usually grows in warm and damp places, bathrooms, kitchens, basements, anywhere there is moisture or poor ventilation. And the longer mold sits, the deeper it spreads. It can irritate your skin, your nose, and your lungs, so cleaning it the right way really matters. Now a lot of people grab bleach right away. It feels like the strongest cleaner, so it must be the best option. But bleach is not always the right choice. It can kill mold on hard and smooth surfaces like tiles or sinks. But bleach does not work well on porous materials like wood, drywall, paint, or fabric. The reason is simple. Bleach cleans the top layer, but mold grows deeper inside. So you think it is gone, but it comes back again. And of course, bleach has strong fumes. It can irritate your eyes and throat, and it becomes extremely dangerous if you mix it with anything like vinegar or ammonia. So you have to be careful. Let me quickly tell you when you should avoid using bleach. Do not use bleach on wood, drywall, painted walls, carpets, upholstered furniture, or unsealed grout. In those cases, bleach will not fix the problem. You are better off using vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, or a mold cleaner made specifically for porous surfaces. Before you start cleaning anything, protect yourself. Wear gloves, a mask, and some eye protection. Open your windows for fresh air or turn on a fan. And do not scrape dry mold because that releases spores into the air. You can lightly mist the area with water first to prevent the mold from spreading while you clean. Now let's talk about how to safely use bleach when it is actually appropriate. Step 1. Mix your bleach. Use 1 cup of bleach and 1 gallon of water. Never use bleach without diluting it. It is too strong and can damage the surface and create harsh fumes. Step 2. Test a small hidden area first. Make sure the bleach does not discolor the surface. Step 3. Apply the bleach solution using a sponge or a spray bottle. Make sure the moldy area is fully wet with the solution, and then let it sit for about 10 minutes. This gives the bleach time to kill the mold spores. Step 4. Scrub the area with a stiff brush or scouring pad. Rinse everything with clean water once you are done. Step 5. Dry the surface completely. Moisture is what mold loves. If the area stays damp, the mold will return. Use a cloth, open a window, or turn on a fan to dry everything fully. Now, if you prefer not to use bleach or the mold is on a surface where bleach should not be used, here are safer alternatives that work really well. White vinegar is one of the best natural mold cleaners. Just spray it directly on the mold, leave it for 1 hour, scrub it, rinse it, and dry the surface. Hydrogen peroxide is another option. Use a 3% solution in a spray bottle, leave it for 15 minutes, scrub, rinse, and dry. And for mild mold or musty smells, baking soda mixed with water can help scrub stains and deodorize surfaces. Whichever method you choose, the final step is preventing mold from coming back. Keep your home as dry as possible. Use a dehumidifier in damp rooms. Open windows whenever you can. Fix leaks quickly. Dry wet towels, carpets, and clothes instead of leaving them in piles. And keep furniture slightly away from walls so air can move around. If the mold keeps returning again and again, or if it covers a large area, you might be dealing with hidden water damage. In that case, it is safer to call a professional. And that is it. Now you know when to use bleach, when to avoid it, and the safest way to get rid of mold. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and useful home tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe.